Welcome to the Elise Project, a space for remembrance, a place where we pour libation through words, a space where we honor the ancestors whose names are remembered and those whose names were lost to time. This space is an audio offering to the bloodline. Before we were here, someone survived. Before we spoke, someone prayed. Before we walked this earth, someone endured the unimaginable so that we could breathe today. And today, we remember through sound. There is something ancient about rhythm, something that doesn't need translation, something that does not need explanation. A drum can speak without words. A chant can heal without logic. A rhythm can move through your body before your mind even understands it. Have you noticed how your body responds to music before you thought things through? Your foot begins to tap. Your head nods. Your heart shifts. Tears flow. That's not random. That's memory. Today we're talking about sacred sound. Why drums, chants, and rhythms have always been a bridge between the physical and the spiritual. Before there were books, before there were sermons, before there was even a structured language, there was rhythm. The first sound you ever heard was not a voice, it was a heartbeat. Your mother's heartbeat, steady, repetitive, safe. That rhythm is your original sense of peace. So when drums play, your body remembers something ancient, not learned, but known. This is why across continents, Africa, America, indigenous lands, Asia, drums were never just instruments. They were communication. They were ceremony. They were spirit. In many African traditions, the drum is considered alive. Not symbolic, but alive. It is said that the drums carries the voice of the ancestors. Each beat is intentional. Each rhythm is a message. Drumming was used to call spirits, to open up ceremonies, to guide transitions between life and death, to heal emotional and physical wounds. The rhythm creates a trance state, not to escape reality, but to access a deeper one. Because when the mind quiets, the spirit speaks louder. Now let's talk about chanting. Chanting is breath turned into vibration. And vibration is energy in motion. Whether it's African spiritual songs, indigenous prayer chants, Buddhist mantras, gospel humming, the purpose is the same: to align, to center, to connect. Chanting regulates the nervous system. It slows the mind. It anchors the body. And more importantly, it creates resonance. When we chant, we are not just making sound, we are becoming the sound. We are the rhythm. Your body is not separate from rhythm. Your heart beats, your breath flows, your brain pulses with electric waves. You are rhythm. So when external rhythm meets internal rhythm, something powerful happens. That's why music can make you cry. That's why the drums can give you chills. A song can take you back 20 years because rhythm does not just live in the ears, it lives in your cells. There are songs you've never heard before, but somehow they feel familiar. There are rhythms that make your spirit rise without explanation. That is ancestral memory. Your body carries these stories your mind has never been told. And sound is one of the keys to unlocking it. This is why enslaved Americans used drums until they were banned. Because those in power understood something. Sound connects people to power, to identity, to unity, to spirit. And even when the drums were taken, the rhythm stayed. In claps, in stomps, in voice, in humming. Because you cannot silence what lives in the soul. Sound is not just spiritual, it's medicinal. Certain frequencies it calms anxiety, reduces stress, regulates the nervous system, shifts brainwave states. Drumming has been known to lower your cortisol, increase feelings of connection, promote emotional release. And chanting can lower your heart rate, can deepen your breath, and create inner stillness. This is not coincidence. It's by design. We are created to respond to vibration. You don't need a ceremony to access this. You can begin right where you are. You can tap your chest and feel your heartbeat align. You can hum softly and notice your body relax. Play ancestral music and sit with your eyes closed. Speak affirmations aloud instead of silently. Your voice is an instrument. Your body is a drum. Your breath is a chant. We're already connected. You do not have to search outside of yourself for connection. It is already within you, in your heartbeat, in your breath, in your voice. Even in silence, there is sound. Even in stillness, there is rhythm. And even when you feel disconnected, your spirit still remembers the way home. So today we honor the rhythms that carried our ancestors, the songs that were sung in sorrow and in joy, the drums that echoed through time even when we were silenced. May we remember that you are not separate from the sacred. You are the sound. You are the rhythm. You are the connection. And the next time you hear a drum or feel a rhythm move through your body, pause. Recognize it. Honor it. Because that may not just be music. That might be memory. We return what was never lost, only forgotten. Through rhythm, through breath, through sound, we remember who we are and who we came from. To the ancestors who spoke through drums, who prayed through song, who carried spirit even in vibration, we honor you. May your echoes continue through us. May your wisdom live in our voices. May your rhythm guide our steps. May we never forget, even in silence, the bloodline still sings. Rest in power. Speak through us. Walk with us. This is the Elise Project, and the remembrance continues. Ashe.